Hello, welcome to your twin flame again. I'm Sue still, and this time I'm going to have a quick chat about 639 hertz, which is also a solfeggio tone. I'll do a separate video on what solfeggio is, but 639 works with the heart chakra. So it is known for helping you to reconnect your relationships and to communicate better. It is called, like, the words that you'll find associated with this tone is reconnecting relationships. So it's definitely heart-based. If you're having any problems in your relationships, then 639 is a great one to listen to. It not only helps with communication, but it helps energetically. I don't know whether you've noticed, but sometimes, well, I find often, growth happens when you're not talking, when you're not communicating, and it happens energetically, and especially this is true of twin flames, especially so. So, you know how when you try and talk things through, they get messy and they can get worse, you know? 639 is an alternative to that. When things are not going well, just listen to some 639 hertz, and if your partner is open to it, if your twin is open to it, then they can also listen to 639. And you also could just think of them while you're listening to it if they're not open to it, you know, because the energy is going to travel through you to them anyway. So this is a way of fixing things on an energetic level and not having to have the conversation while things are heated, you know. It's very hard to discuss things when people are upset and there is ill feeling still there. So this is a preferred way for many people to try and get things back on track, or at least get to the point where you can have the conversation, you know, and start fixing things, start addressing what's gone wrong. It is also, you know, there's a lot of people that are unable or have a lot of difficulty expressing what's in their heart. And 639 is great for that. It's great to support you or those you love in being able to get those words out. You know, we all have these feelings, but some are really good at expression and communication, and others really get stuck, you know. The words just don't seem to come out. They have so much feeling, but they're just unable to speak the words. So 639 is really great for that. Now, if it is really an expression problem, then it's great to combine 639 with throat chakra, which I can't even think of what number or anything at the moment, but I will find that. And if I don't have a video on that, I will make one and put it together, put a note on this video as to what it is. So if you want to fix your relationships, and they don't have to be romantic relationships, you know, it can be with your family, with your best friend, with your, you know, someone that you used to be close to and you'd like to fix things and be close again. All sorts of possibilities and things that you can fix. So keep this video handy, and there is 639 music playing in the background here. So they say 5 minutes a day. You can listen to this more than once. You can listen to it, you know, up to say 6 times a day, and allow those energies to help you get your relationships back on track, help you to express your heart and say what you're feeling, and help others if they're around you, or if you send them the energy of this, or even send them a link to the video, you know, or to the 639 video, which I will put in on the bottom of this one. So then that can help them also to learn to express and to be more comfortable with what they're feeling, being able to put it into words, which is great for all of us. It's lovely to be able to share what we're feeling, and lovely for someone else to receive that sharing. So that's all. Please like, subscribe, comment. Please comment. I love the comments, and would love to know how you go with all of these things. So take care of you, and I will see you back here soon for the next short educational type video. Take care.